Okay, now we have the most intellectual and most fashionable and stylish MLA Vishnu walk with us. He's already blushing. Okay, that's nice. Okay, Vishnu, you are. We've been tracking you since you became an MLA, and we've seen different styles of you. Your t-shirts, shirts, your different styles. What do you have to say about your fashion? Dhoti. I haven't seen you in dhoti.
No?
When did you wear it?
See, my dress in a dhoti and kurta was a rage when I went on the stage of IFI 2012 inauguration.
Okay.
I got perhaps more claps than the chief guest. That's my hobby right from my college days, See, usually the general secretary always goes in a suit,
You've been the general secretary of your
I've
college.
been the general secretary of the MBA college when I was in my third year. But then usually the practice is for every school college gathering. General secretaries wear suit, tie and all that.
That's decorum.
I shocked everybody by wearing a kurta and a shawl and a dhoti and like that.
So you've been very stylish since your younger days.
Yeah. Even in my higher secondary and in my college I used to wear a lot of kurtas. Very differently colored kurtas. That was my passion. Mostly I used to wear kurtas, shirts and...
From where this passion came to you?
No, it's not like that. See, basically, I was into acting, into theatre. So anybody who is associated with arts will always like to dress differently.
Okay, when you were in a theatre before entering the politics, were you wearing jackets or is it because of a political compulsion that you're wearing jackets?
No, I was wearing jackets even before that because it's been very famous that way. Even when I was not directly into politics. So I'll tell you one small joke, Whenever I used to go Delhi, I used to go out just like in a leader's outfit with jacket, kurta.
At that time you were not in politics?
Was in politics but not
active.
directly involved, not elected like. So it so happened once I had gone with Churchill Alemao to Delhi, and he was going to the parliament. He was elected as MP then. So I went along with him. Churchill was in black clothes and I was in this attire, jacket, kurta and all that. So he had to see Mulayam Yadav for some reason, and this thing was given intimation that Churchill Alemao, former Chief Minister of Goa, is coming.
Don't tell
So wait, we went along with him, no? He was sitting on the front seat of his car. I was sitting behind. The moment I got down, Mulayam Singh came rushing to me and welcome Mr. Churchill. So Churchill said, hey, Churchill, my hai.
So, and from where do you get all these jackets or the dhotis, kurtas?
I usually have my tailors. I get
you
them
stitch
stitched.
them
Yeah.
Do you get them?
You see, looking at me, anything ready-made is not possible,
We have also seen you whenever you choose particular occasion to wear and have your own attire. Like if you go for a Roman Catholic feast or anywhere for the wedding, we see you in coats.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So last Sunday we had this Tavashache fest. So I went there in a very formal attire with my suit and all.
even that is.
Yeah, that is stitched.
So you get your clothes stitched here in Goa itself?
Sant Andre's feast. So there I just went with an overcoat. So I think anything suits me.
Yeah, when we have these family sessions, we can predict like who is going to wear what, and we know that particular MLA is going to wear white, somebody is going to wear this blazer or whatever, strictly to their attire. But we cannot ever predict about you because we don't know what Vishnu is going to wear. So how do you decide suddenly? Because you all have to study also about the issues. So how do you?
No, that way I am very unpredictable. I decide at the last minute. When I come out of the bathroom and when I'm about to wear clothes, I have 2-3 sets before me. Then I just think what I should wear.
So who chooses all these sets for you?
Me only.
How about the color or the jackets? Does your missus or anybody choose it?
Yeah, she chooses colors for me, different colors. Especially
So how
kurtas,
contribution is there to yours?
kurtas and all. And she's very particular. If I go just in a very simple dress and all, then she would scold me. Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any particular color which you like the most?
Moss green.
Green.
Moss green.
Moss green.
Yeah, that's my favorite color. I have 2-3 shirts of that color,
Yeah, and we have seen you
People
also
say
in green,
people
right?
say it's a very good color.
What does that symbolize?
I'm wearing, you see, now. Even grey, I like a lot.
But all the colors go well on you. What is the
color.
significance of moss green that you like it so much?
It keeps you cool.
Is it? Are you agitated otherwise?
No. It's not that. But wearing that gives you a very good feeling, you know. As it is a very cool color. If you pass, then it's a treat for the eyes actually.
We have not seen you wearing jeans like you're wearing now. So did you wear this because you have to?
No, I wear.
Okay, this is your casual.
Only when I wear, you don't see me. That's the problem.
Maybe when you wear jeans, you should.
I have
more
12 jeans of 12 different colors, actually. But the heftiness is one thing. What I believe is, God has created every person in a unique way, you know. Everybody has unique features. Now tomorrow if, say, I suddenly lose weight, then people cannot recognize me also.
So now, what is your style statement?
Style statement is, you dress in such a way so that your personality is known by the dress. The dress is a statement for your personality.
Okay. We have Vishnu Wagh with us, who is very versatile. He is very intellectual, and he also sings, recites poems. I don't know, are you going to sing for us or recite a poem for us?
Yeah. See, once when I was in college, I was waiting for a bus at the bus stop of Miramar. So one girl came and she stood beside me. And suddenly there were showers of rain. And she had a little umbrella she was trying to open. So she was trying to open the umbrella and she could not. So she got fed up and said, "Itla biri paus pattani satri ugna." So I just sang there only.
What do you say?
Biri paus patta satri ugdana. Biri paus patta satri ugdana. माझ्या वांगडा भिजले म्हणून काहीच बिघडना. माझ्या वांगडा भिजले म्हणून काहीच बिघडना. Then I composed a poem like this.
If I have to say to you that you're a very good shair, I heard you many times about fashion. If you have to make a shairi, what would it be? Let it be very spontaneous.
It would be like this. पिक्चर में अगर हीरो बनना है तो एक्शन कीजिए. पिक्चर में अगर हीरो बनना है तो एक्शन कीजिए और खुद के ड्रेस से अगर लोगों तक जाना चाहते हो तो फैशन कीजिए.
Okay, so Vishnu, you have something special for us today.
Yeah, of course. That would be a very unique piece of fashion, you know. You know, in our country, most of the politicians are known to wear Gandhi topi.
Exactly.
It's very common. And whenever you show a politician, the politician invariably has to wear a Gandhi topi. I'm going to wear a Gandhi topi now. But previously, Gandhi topi was worn on khadi. So now this Gandhi topi will be on jeans, linen and jacket, you know.
Okay. And the Gandhi topi is a bit.
This was handed to me by students of Mumbai University, Pokats. And I went there for
That
symposium.
was kind of a gesture of welcome.
So I think I have a very trendy look. And if I go like this, then people will surely go mad.
Okay. So what do you have to say to the politicians? Politicians wear a Gandhi topi like this.
No, if it
Present themselves,
if it suits them, that's fine. And if they have a head to wear it.